Welcome and thank you for joining the Allot demo tour. Over the next 20 minutes or so, you will experience the power that Allot Smart and Allot Secure solutions can deliver to telecom operators. If you're not familiar with Allot, we're a NASDAQ-listed software company that develops and delivers advanced network intelligence solutions for CSPs, as well as security-as-a-service solutions that CSPs can offer to their consumer and small business customers. Our tour starts with the Allot Smart solutions, which use NFV-compliant inline technology to generate actionable intelligence that enables operators to optimize, innovate, and capitalize on every service opportunity. The first stop on our tour is traffic visibility and QoE. This set of solutions delivers granular visibility into network, application, user, and security data. They ensure optimal QoE, cost-effective utilization of network resources, and enforce data consumption policies. This demo will be presented by Michael Schachter, Senior Product Marketing Manager for Allot. Michael, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Seth. The Smart Visibility and Smart Traffic QoE combined demo gives you a glimpse into how granular visibility can drive improved operations, planning, and marketing, as well as provide actionable intelligence that optimizes performance automatically and in real time. Let's take a look at a sampling of the rich insights that can be derived from different layers of visibility into your network, application, and user traffic, and we'll also see how this visibility can be harnessed to power real-time congestion management and performance optimization, ensuring enhanced customer experience and deferring capacity expansion. Let's take a look.
Hello and welcome to a high-level overview of Allot powerful smart visibility capability. Smart visibility provides a layered approach to QoE analysis, monitoring network KPIs, browsing KQIs, and streaming video KQIs, all of which are correlated to derive individual subscribers' perceived QoE. So let's take a look at the product. Starting from a consolidated network-level overview providing visibility into the networking KPIs, such as bandwidth and retransmission, sliced according to the different policy elements they have been measured on to gain a near real-time as well as a historical overview of the network. Complemented by the real-time monitors, providing real-time visibility and troubleshooting capabilities into the network, its underlying applications, and their KPIs. The Busy Hours dashboard depicts the top utilized applications during peak hours, highlighting non-QoE sensitive bandwidth-hungry applications which could be optimized to assure the performance of QoE sensitive apps. The Network Peaks dashboard enables granular planning for network capacity to meet actual peak requirements rather than average bandwidth consumption. The Heavy Users dashboard enables to zoom into the small percentiles of subscribers who are responsible for the majority of network traffic and their favorite services. Enables upsell and control of fine-tuned service plans. Allot's layered approach QoE starts with networking KPIs. The Network QoE dashboard provides a high-level overview of the network consumption, broken down into different application categories. And each category is broken down into individual applications highlighting their KPIs. The layered approach continues with browsing KQIs, deriving browsing QoE from server response time, HTTP errors, and HTTP download time measures. Being the dominant network activity, visibility into encrypted video QoE concludes the layered approach. The encrypted video QoE dashboard leverages machine learning and AI capabilities to overcome encryption and provide visibility into and facilitate upholding the user's perceived quality of experience. The MOS score is derived from the resolution changes, and stall duration KQIs, providing an overall network quality score, which is based on the layered measurements that were obtained within the individual underlying network components, easily identifying the QoE impacting network elements.
In this next section, we show how smart visibility can be leveraged by our Smart Traffic QoE solution to assure video QoE for subscribers that purchased a premium streaming plan over videos of subscribers on regular plans. The upper two videos are recordings of two regular plan customers, and the bottom two are recordings of premium streaming customers. On the left side of the screen, real-time ClearC monitors show first the state of network congestion, and the display will turn orange as congestion develops. Second, the top bandwidth-consuming applications, and the bottom two monitors show the application bandwidth consumption corresponding to the users on the right. Initially, all subscribers are watching YouTube at maximum resolution, but as the network becomes congested, as seen by the change to orange in the top monitor, the solution will deallocate bandwidth, causing the regular plan subscriber resolution to be reduced and enabling the network to continue delivering high definition to premium streaming plan subscribers. This is just one example of how visibility can feed quality of experience for end users.
One can easily generate reports based on the extensive network attributes and metrics that are synthesized from the raw network data. The GUI provides a simple drag-and-drop interface, a rich set of graphical visualization options, and logical operators to build powerful reports without any coding. And manipulate a new report by the graphical user interface.
Thank you for joining the Smart Visibility and Smart Traffic QoE combined demo. When you really know what's happening in your network, you can get more out of your deployed resources, saving money on network infrastructure expansion while ensuring optimal customer QoE and satisfaction. For more details and an in-depth demo, don't hesitate to get in touch.
Okay, thanks, Michael. Our next stop is NFV-based DDoS protection. This solution delivers highly effective detection and mitigation of both inbound and outbound DDoS attacks, and it helps CSPs ensure service availability and prevent wasted DDoS traffic. This demo shows the Allot DDoS Secure solution implemented in an NFV environment, and it's going to be presented by Elia Haverman. Elia is the product manager for the Allot DDoS Secure solution. Elia, take it away.
Thank you very much. In this demo, we will use our DDoS defense system, DDoS Secure, running in an OpenStack environment on two filters that are working in parallel. During regular traffic, we do not need both filters machines to run. But when there is an attack, we have to spin up more resources in order to be able to mitigate the attack. Let's see how it's done. First, we are on the piece in our DDoS Secure solution. We are running an OpenStack, and we have two SGVE Service Gateway Virtual Editions running in the demo, SGVE1 and SGVE2. One is active and running, and the other one is shut down, because we do not want to waste resources in the network. Now the attack is starting. And let's see what happens to the OpenStack environment. The node is still shown as shut down. Let's refresh the page in order to see what happened. And we can see the second node is running and helping to mitigate the attack. So we are able to mitigate big attacks even though we have only small resources running in regular times, and in times of attack we just add the resources we need to the network. The attacker decided to stop the attack. Now we are in peace. Let's see what happens to the OpenStack environment. The node is still running in order to help mitigating, but it's not needed anymore. Let's refresh the page and see what happened. We can see that the node is shut down and the resources are freed from the network. And that was the demo for DDoS Secure in an NFV environment. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Elia. And now, moving on to Allot Secure, we will take a look at network-based cybersecurity solutions that CSPs deliver to their mass market customers. In the first Allot Secure demo, you will learn about Allot Network Secure for consumer and small business customers. It already protects 23 million subscribers, increasing ARPU for CSPs by 5% and more. By providing protection to subscribers for all types of cyber threats, including viruses, malware, adware, ransomware, phishing attacks, cryptojacking, plus parental controls, Allot Network Secure gives operators a significant source of supplemental revenue with penetration rates up to 50%. It also gives them a brand differentiator and a great opportunity for customer engagement. This demo will be presented once again by Michael Schachter. Go ahead.
Thank you. In the Network Secure demo, you'll get a powerful taste of the world's #1 network-based security for the mass market, used by consumers and small businesses. And because it's all done through the network, it's easy for service providers to market and deploy, and it's simple for subscribers to begin using. Network Secure is already a proven market leader, achieving rapid adoption rates, increasing customer satisfaction, and generating significant revenue for CSPs. Let's take a look at the easy onboarding and the immediate impact that Network Secure provides. Allot Secure consists of 3 main components that enable service providers to deliver a unified security service to the mass market, all of which act independently or in concert to deliver anti-phishing, anti-malware, ad blocking, and parental control to any device, anytime, and anywhere. As you can see from the diagram, the trick is that we enable CSPs to deliver these protections through the network, so the end user has almost no work to do. The first component, which is the focus of this demo, is Network Secure, a massively scalable multi-tenant platform that provides to each individual customer a personalized set of mobile device protections in addition to a personalized management dashboard. The live portion of this demo is shown from a laptop screen, but the same functionality occurs on your smartphone. Initially, the user is simply browsing with no filtering or other restrictions. Next, the user attempts to access a particular website and is redirected to a trial promotion screen. This could also be done via a promotional offer sent through a banner, a text message, or an offer on the CSP portal. The user accepts the trial offer and is instantaneously connected to the service and protected by default settings. It's all done through the network effortlessly and transparently to the end user. Now, upon returning to the MTV site, you'll see that almost immediately we get an icon in the upper left corner. The icon, like everything else, can be customized to the ISP's brand. The icon reminds the users that they are protected, and it's also a link to the management portal. The user simply clicks on the icon to access the personal setup page that shows the devices in the customer's account and shows how the service has protected them during the last period. The reports can be sent in push mode to the customers or made available in the portal. It's important that the customer gets these reinforcements so that they see the value and convert to the paid service when the trial period ends. We can see that the 4 basic services are ad-free, parental control, anti-phishing, and anti-malware. The ISP can optionally decide to let the customer turn them on or off, and when you scroll down, you can see the content filtering menu where we set the categories of websites that we don't want the child's device to access, or the workers in our small business. We can whitelist or blacklist websites for additional levels of control, and we can also set time limits on when the children are allowed to be connected to the internet. The user has the option to enable or disable different services, and additional configurations can be achieved by using the options below. Content filtering to set blocking categories, black and white listing for modifying the content filtering, specific kinds of file blocking, internet time, which defines when a user is allowed to access the internet or time frames when browsing is allowed, for example, for your children during meals or after bedtime, and phishing permissions, which can be used to black and white list sites that were designated or identified as phishing sites. The next part of the demo uses an anti-malware testing website to demonstrate how virus downloads are blocked. We attempt to download a virus from this icar.com site, and Network Secure will detect and block the virus download. Next, the user attempts to access a gambling site and succeeds because the default settings did not block gambling sites. The user then returns to their settings interface and easily adds gambling to the list of blocked categories. Immediately thereafter, an attempt to return to the gambling site will now be blocked. And finally, we will show an attempt to access a known phishing site, and this too is blocked in the network by Network Secure. The last feature of the Network Secure demo is its ability to promote Endpoint Secure, one of the additional components of Allot Secure. Once customers have seen the value of the security service, they are now more willing to download a security client in order to be protected off-net, for example, when connected to public Wi-Fi. Endpoint Secure integrates the management of third-party security clients with Network Secure so that the customer's policy is carried over from the network to the client, automatically defining the same security protections for when the user device is not on the CSP network. In addition, reporting and event alerts are unified. Endpoint Secure is an add-on to Network Secure. It's Network Secure with the easy deployment, activation, onboarding, and comprehensive protection that is the key to achieving high adoption rates. Thank you for joining the Network Secure demo. It's easy to deploy and simple to use. It's a true win-win for CSPs and their customers. For more details and an in-depth demo, don't hesitate to get in touch.
Well, thanks again, Michael. Finally, we will end our tour with Allot Home Secure. This solution provides CSP's consumer customers with cyber protection for all connected devices in their home networks. As with Network Secure, the protection comes through the network with no need for end users to install security software on multiple devices. This demo will be presented by Yaron Muzikant, Director of Product Management for the Allot Home Secure solution. Yaron, please.
Thank you, Seth. I'm going to share with you a brief demonstration of the HomeSecure solution capabilities and main features. HomeSecure is a cybersecurity solution for the connected home, protecting the devices at your home network from external and internal threats. As IoT and connected devices proliferate, home networks become the foundation of the connected home. Yet, they are increasingly more difficult to manage and to secure, and attacks are much more common. HomeSecure guarantees a simple, reliable, and secure network for the connected home. This is achieved through a minimal footprint agent installed on the home router that provides unprecedented visibility into the network and blocks both external and internal attacks. Using machine learning techniques and network visibility, HomeSecure ensures that all devices in your home are identified and standard security policies are automatically applied per device type and can then be modified per device instance. Let's start by launching the HomeSecure app. The first screen we see is the home screen. This is the dashboard of your network, providing information about your network security status. The purpose of this screen is to provide instant visibility into your network security status. In the middle of this dashboard, there is a large image indicating the level of your network's security. We use a color-coded security score. Red indicates that multiple vulnerabilities were detected in your network, which means your security status is not good. Yellow means moderate security status, and green indicates that all is good. You can sleep well at night. Click on the family icon at the bottom of the navigation bar to manage your family members and devices. Here you can group devices or attach devices to a family member in order to enforce digital control policies on them. At the bottom of the screen, you see all the devices that are connected to your network. For each device, you see its name, icon, and the last time it was online. By tapping a person or devices group, you can link devices to the person or group, assign a parental control policy, such as time of day limitation, website filtering by selected categories, enforce safe search, or simply block all network access from the person or group devices. Adding a new device to the list is very easy, and all you need to do is connect it to your home network. HomeSecure has advanced fingerprinting mechanisms that immediately detects newly connected devices, identifies their type, and automatically adds them to the network devices list. You can drill down into the device itself to gain access to a set of additional capabilities. Let's click on one of the devices to see which additional options we have. On the device details screen, the Security tab shows an indication whether the device has an antivirus installed and if there are specific vulnerabilities related to this device. In this case, we can see that the Office PC has an antivirus installed and there are no vulnerabilities. Navigating to the History tab, you can see the browsing history of the device. a listing of the sites it was connected to and applications or services used in the past 12 or 24 hours. Tapping on the Live tab icon, you can see where a device might be browsing to at this very instant in real time. This, for example, could help you understand your kids' browsing behavior, based on which you could set your parental control policies. Navigating to the Control tab shows you the parental control policy assigned to the device, which is taken from the person or devices group that the device belongs to. Now let's navigate to the IP camera. As expected, there is no antivirus installed, and we can also see the vulnerabilities that this camera exposes. In this case, port 2323 is exposed and open to the outside world. By going back to the main screen and navigating to the Security tab, we can see all the security events that occurred within your network. HomeSecure uses the following mechanisms to block threats. First, it prevents standard web threats using blacklisted IPs, anti-malware, blocking phishing, ransomware, and botnet attacks, based on our well-established database which aggregates multiple security input sources. Second, identify attempts to attack devices in the home network from the internet and from one device to another. Third, protecting the home gateway itself from being exploited by malicious actors by blocking attacks on the router, from the internet, or from devices in the home network. The last feature I would like to demonstrate is the chatbot that can be found on the Messages tab of the main screen. The chatbot is used for a two-way interaction with the user. It will notify the user about an event that occurred within their network, or even to ask the user questions and get decisions on specific cases. For example, when a new device is connected to the network, HomeSecure would request the user confirmation to approve or deny the new device connectivity. Furthermore, the user can initiate a conversation around the problem they have and ask the bot for a solution. To start a conversation, tap the question mark button. The chatbot will ask some questions for guidance. For example, let's go with "I have an internet problem." And then, let's select "the internet is slow." The chatbot provides you a step-by-step guide on diagnosing and resolving issues in your home network, with customizable support flows and an easy-to-use interface. So, as you can see from this demo, HomeSecure helps you to manage your connected home network, identifying and protecting devices, enabling parental control, and helping to troubleshoot and resolve operational issues. I hope you enjoyed this demo.
Thank you, Yaron. And thank you for spending some time with us at the demo stations in the Allot booth. We hope you learned something new, but there's still much more you can learn here at the Allot Mobile Virtual Conference. You can watch a webinar, participate in live sessions with Allot executives, watch short videos about Allot solutions, or download brochures and case studies. And remember to get your Starbucks gift card at the coffee station just behind the demo stations. Before you go, visit the Smart or Secure meeting rooms to schedule a meeting with one of our experts to learn more about the solutions that will reduce your operating costs, improve your customers' experience, and will even generate supplemental revenue. Thanks for dropping by.